Here you can see the code fxml loader class with the object L. Then we have a new keyword, and in that we have passed our fxml loader, then get class, get source. So what is the difference between this? So before, in this if block we have created this parent class object, and then we will assign fxml loader dot load method to it. Now we are creating fxml loader object, then we have to create parent class object, that is parent class and then object, and then we will type class, and then we will call load method by our fxml loader object, that is L. In previous block we have used this parent class object and then assigned direct fxml dot loader dot load method. Now in this we are first creating fxml loader object and then passing load function to our parent class. Why we are doing this? Because of this third instruction. So add HROWS declaration. Now we have to call this get controller method. So for that we have need a object. So that's why we have created an fxml loader object. And now what? Now we have to create our showc.java object, that is sc, and assign get controller method to it. So it will pass controller to this class. Now with the help of our showc object we will pass we will call my function method which we have created in showc class, that is my function 1. Now I am creating scene and I am linking our scene to stage, that is our we have created our stage here as primary stage. So using this same object, now we have to pass scene 1. It's not taking a stage, so I am creating here stage object. Now coming back to this my function, Now we have to pass our text field IDs. So for this I am going to add customer.fxml file. Then on skeleton file we have this all these text field, that is n1 to fn1, add1, pn1 and em1. So I am just adding in this class. Now I am passing n1 dot get text method to my function, that is sc dot my function1. So now I am executing this. By clicking on admin, I have this page of add customer in we haven't linked this add customer button. So for this we have to create a link, that is going to add customer.fxml file. Here we will select add customer button, and in this code on action button we will pass our function name, that is I think add customer first page.java. This is our method name add customer. We have to write it on action. Now checking controller class, we have to add this let 13 dot first page. Now I have to save this. Now coming back to add custom.fxml file, let me check. This is our controller class and this is our button. So we have an add customer method on action. Now you can see here in first page.java, in our add customer we have just call our my function 1, that is for only first text field. So now running main class.java,